start with street rods. Our winner is number 21, Carl Burnett. Can I ask you to scoot a minute? We're going to do pictures right here. That's okay. Carl, tell everyone what kind of car you have.
1932 Ford Roadster.
1932 Ford Roadster. Well, congratulations. You are the winner. All right, next up we have our convertible class. Yeah, who's clapping for that convertible class? Number 73, David Tothero. Sorry if I... Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, somewhere. All right, what kind of car do you have?
65 Chevelle.
A 65 Chevelle. Well, it won Best Convertible, so congratulations. This is for you. Carl Robinson.
What's the car?
Number 95. A 48 Chevy. Oh, here he comes. He was way out there too. Maybe he didn't hear us. That's pink. All right, come on up, Carl.
I didn't know the number of my car.
Oh, sorry about that. But now we heard your last name. We finally come on up. All right, tell us about your car.
It's a 48 Chevy Eldorado. Purple and silver.
Evidently, everybody likes the paint on your car because you won Best Paint for 2026. Now we're moving on to stock pre-1960. Number 75, Brett Baker. Congratulations. You want to tell us a little bit about your car?
57 Chevy. First Street. Mostly chassis and a big block Chevy.
All right. Well, congratulations on being the winner of the 2026 Best Stock Pre-1960. Stock 1960 to 1975. The winner is number 47, Paul Wong. Well, congratulations. Best Stock 1960 to 1975. Can we get a tell us about your car?
Pontiac Safari.
Pontiac Safari.
Yes.
Okay. I've never heard of that. It's a station wagon. All right, next up we're going to go to the modified division. Number 22, Daniel Rodriguez. Come on. Oh, hi. All right, well, you are a 2026 Thunder in the Park Classic Car Show Best Modified winner. Congratulations.
It's a Factory 5, 33 Ford Roadster. 33.
We have our original factory muscle car, and the winner of that is number 36, Art Daniels. All right, congratulations, Best Original Factory Muscle Car. Can you tell us a little bit about your car?
1967 GTO, 400 cubic feet, 335 horse.
Wow, that's got a lot of horsepower, right? All right, next up we have trucks pre-1975, and the winner is number 67, Kerry Christ. He has a big cheering squad for him today.
I knew he was going to get it.
Did you?
Right on, Gary, I told you. I told you, buddy.
Well, congratulations for winning. Can you tell us a little bit about your truck?
It's a 1957 custom cab, 3100. Red.
Perfect. Well, congratulations, you're the winner. Our next one is the last one of the day. Remember, the Festive Show gets their car on the t-shirt. They get prominent display right by the stage for everybody next year. Well, I don't think it's a surprise to anybody that walked around and looked at the cars today. I think if the public voted, it probably would have been this person as well. Number 81, Cliff Cartwright. He has a car I had never heard about until a few months ago when he purchased it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is incredible. When I got to see it in person, it's a beauty. Come on up. You are our Best of Show winner for 2026, and your vehicle will be featured on our flyers next year, on our t-shirts. This isn't new for you. You've done this twice now in the last few years, right? Can you tell me a little bit about this car? Because I think people are wondering what car you have, because it's a very unusual vehicle.
It's a 1941 Graham Hollywood with a supercharged small block Chevy. It's black.
Congratulations on being our best of show this year.
Here is our 2026 winners of Better in the Park, Cameron Park. We love you guys. We appreciate you coming out, and we hope to see you again next year. Right? Second Saturday of June, right here at Cameron Park.